Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you about some different dog toys at the Ant-Man Manor. So yeah, let's get right into it. So yeah, this is the Ant-Man Manor, and this is a dog toy. This tennis ball, that's a dog toy, that's 1 out of 4. And then I think the X one. No. And this one, that's 2. And then there's another tennis ball over here, 3 out of 4. And then there should be one more somewhere. Can't actually find the last one. Already done that one. Are the eggs really not one? I think it might be up here. Yep, here you go. And the last tennis ball, there you go. And that's 25k XP for you. Alright, so yeah, again, I'm gonna do another video straight after this. So yeah, I'll see you in that one in a few minutes. Bye.